Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do October festive fashion haul from Amazon. So yes, just like the last month's video. And yes, this time it was all about festives. And yes, I got amazing deals on Amazon. Still going on, by the way. So don't miss those. Links will be in the description for all the haul products. And yes, it will be a try on haul. So super excited. First outfit right here. I am wearing this two-piece. It is a very nice comfortable back में इसके buttons हैं. So yeah, it looks really pretty. It's a little bit sheer, so you have to be really careful. And yeah, it's effortless, like the Dhoti style pants and the kind of print it has. It's effortless. I got the smallest size in most of the outfits. So this is the next outfit. This is a twin set. I love the color, so I grabbed it, and it's perfect for airport look I was planning, and it looks really nice. And I love the joggers, especially with this blocking color, and the crop top fits me well as well. Yeah, it is dark, but I'll remove it. And also I got these Crocs slippers, which I'm wearing right now. They're really pretty, really cute, and this has some movable Crocs thing, and looks really cute as well. I love this. So this was my Crocs slipper and my twin set, and this is from Moda, and it was on a great deal, so I grabbed it. I didn't want to miss it. Also, I had to wear some semi winter wear there, so I kind of hopped into this, and it's comfortable to lounge in and to go out, and also you can dress it up with something like this, right? Or you can wear denims with it. Another hoodie I got is this one right here. It's a white. It's really fit on me, semi crop again, but it's not so warm, and it is really light, thin clothes for a hoodie, but it will last in the semi winter season. It was really affordable as well. Links will be in the description again. So this is the kurta I got again for the festive season. I really like the color. It's very subtle green, and it has some beautiful print on it, and I love the fit and the flare it has. It's so beautiful. Also, I like that it's not too tight or loose, but it looks really nice on my upper body, and the band gala and all also looks really nice. So yes, I can pair it with some palazzos. It will look fully packed outfit. So this is the second last outfit, another suit, but this is a full-fledged suit with the dupatta and pants, I would say. Yeah, cute. I love the kind of combination of color it has. It's pretty. I like it. I'm quite happy, and the latkans on the side make it really beautiful. Again, latkans on the dupatta. Pretty. Love the details it has. It's so nice. Love the print, and it's a little bit loose, but it kind of looks nice that way, I would say. What do you think, guys? Let me know. Do you like this suit? Like the lightweight suit? It's not a very fancy one, over the top one, but I like it. I'm currently looking at the mirror, and yeah, it is pretty. I like the color. I kind of want to shoot in this outfit today, so I might. Stay tuned for the pictures. So this is last outfit I got from Amazon. I'm really liking it. It is so beautiful. The overall thing I never tried, but this actually looks pretty. Love the fabric. It's very light, so perfect for summers or semi-winters. You can just layer it. These sandals are from my previous haul. I will also link this one along with the haul, though it's not from the current haul, but it's also from Amazon, so I will link it. And yeah, let me show you a bit close up. So this is how it looks. Twirling moment. Last two items are some accessories, so let me show you real quick. So first one is this chain. I love it. More heavier than I thought it would be. So affordable, guys. By the way, they both came in this individual packaging, which is really good to keep. And this is an anklet, and again, this is silverish, so you can see there is a heart on the side, which is a beautiful charm. So yeah, I love the anklet. So yeah, this was my haul. Hope you liked it, and stay tuned for more hauls like this. Links will be in the description, and let me know which was your favorite pick from the whole haul. Bye.